Okay, so welcome to the next episode. And for people that are not yet subscribers, we are reviewing eToro as a platform because they have super cool marketing with famous people. But is it really a platform that can make you money? Is the question. What we did so far. We joined all the Facebook groups and Reddit forums, and we tried to ask people if they are making money and what traders they follow. And basically all of them, it's about 100 answers I get, and all of them were not profitable. They actually lost money copying people in past years. So some of them give up and some of them try to trade by themselves. But 100% of people that answer me on my question on Facebook or Reddit, they lost money. So it's just a proof that I was right when I point out the problems. They even claim it on this on their website that 70%, 75% of people lost money on eToro already. So yes, eToro is it's not super simply to go and invest platform as they market. So that's why I call them scammers, because they mislead with marketing investors and you and me, because people think it's just simply click and copy and you will make money. But we don't give up, we continue. In the second video, to prove that eToro is misleading people with their advertising, I basically dig deep in internet history, which is perfect because you can Google everything. And I went back 2-3 years and checked what traders they promote as successful traders. And I show you the tricks, how they mislead people, how they do it. It's in the last video, so just fast. I checked like 2-3 strategies, I checked like 10 people and I show the problems. And I made a video about it. Then I post this video to the social groups, Facebook, Reddit, and they ban me there in those groups because basically you cannot point out problems on eToro platform, because I thought the groups are like independent about traders, but actually they are supported by eToro and you cannot point out their problems with the platform that everybody is losing money there and it's a scam. So they ban me there, but we continue, we don't give up anyway. Before they ban me, I was able to collect some names and I will review them soon. But I discovered also already problem. It's like 1 month since I collect the names, and already we have 2 names that were banned on the platform. Okay, let me log into eToro and I will explain you the problems with the 5 names. Yes, hi Thomas. Your portfolio is up 3% from yesterday. I will give you the link is in description to my profile. You can copy it, and soon we will explain it more in depth how we will manage it and why you should follow it. But also I will show you now the problem with the 5 names. Yes, I have some names here that I follow, and one of them was Harshmit. And the problem with 2 people is that they, in the 1 month, since the people give me those names that I should focus and follow, already 2 people are banned on platform because they were scamming and they were making, let's say, trades against the platform rules, and one of them is Harshmit. And the reason why I didn't give him the real money is because he thinks that, or he claims that he's from Australia, but I saw the picture and the picture looks like some Sylvester Stallone from India. You know, if you are like real trader or like normal person that managed like more than 5 million euro in asset under management, you don't have profile picture in some completely abandoned building or destroyed building, and really you put at least something that I can see your face. And you are maybe laughing that on this small detail I did not give him my money. But in the 10 years as investor, I learned the lesson that those details are super important, and it saved me a lot of money in last years. In Volkswagen, we did the same. I was in the factory, I checked everything, it was perfect company to invest, dividends, everything was perfect. Just the CEO had 5 planes to fly all over the world. So I was like, yes, the CEO is not the fit. I don't feel that the guy who is spending money all over on planes really manage well the company. And based on this, I canceled the investment. And like 2 months later, Volkswagen had a problem with Dieselgate, with the diesel cars. They were faking results and so on. So really, Those small details are super important, and if you don't feel that the investment is 100% or 1000% that you are sure and everything is fine, so you don't need to do it. Okay, I will cut it here because the point is, as investors, we have one big advantage, and this is we don't need to make the investments. We can go somewhere else. If we don't like this exact one investment, we can go somewhere else to invest. By the way, did you already subscribe, or you are waiting for some miracle or to somebody will do it for you? So click the subscribe, maybe the like for the effort I spent on this video. So the next step, I go to my profile, I go to copy people, I will search for the people and I set up the filters. And we want at least 2 years of history, we want return more than 40%. Why? It's because I want at least around 20% year profit, because if it's less, I can invest to another safer asset like real estate, and I can generate like 15% per year in real estate. It's without risk. eToro and those traders make risky trades, so I want some reward for it. They should be verified, and actually if I put their just profile picture and full name and verified, it drops from like 10,000 people to actually 42 people. I also put there some profitable months. They should be most of the trading career should be profitable, like 70% of the time, because sometimes as investor you want to pull away the money from market. You need it for something unexpected, like somebody die in your family or something happens, you want to pull away the money, and in 2 years they should be mostly profitable. And actually I expect thousands and thousands of people, and these results, super simple results, give me exactly 42 people. So I will walk through all of them because it's not thousands, so I can do it. It's just 40 people, 42. Okay, I eliminate traders from the search that have like gaps, So if they are like trading, investing, then 1 year nothing or half year nothing, that I accept that they don't need to trade, but at least they should be on the platform somehow invested, because if they skip 1 year or half year, this is not a good trader to copy. Next trader I will eliminate is like they even say here, people don't copy me, I'm just playing with my money, and she has like 57 copiers, even if she noted in the bio that you should not copy it, that people are really crazy with their money, but okay, this is out. The next who we will eliminate, these guys have like 500 or 1000 of copiers, they are popular traders, but we are smarter than those 542 people. We don't copy people that, I already explained it in the last video, that have like losses of 70-80% of portfolio. Why? I explain it just fast, repeat, because basically they can make me money 2-3 years. It will be nice, and before I'm able to take the profits away, they will lose 80% of my portfolio. It's completely useless trader to copy in the long term. So we will eliminate people that has drawdowns in like 1 year without reason, like 80%. I get it if it's like 2009 or 2020, like now, when there is a drop 30-40% on the market and they have the same loss, it's okay, in the same months I can get it. But for no reason, in profitable years, if they lost 70-80% of portfolio, it's completely nonsense to copy them. So those people will lost money in those traders. The next step, what we eliminate is, even if they have again popular traders, hundreds of copiers, but we will eliminate short history, because we have not enough data. It can be new profile, but mostly it will be somebody who already wiped out one profile, so they start new one. So we don't like this one, the guys are cheating, and I dislike it, and I can see it through quite fast, especially if they are like the same nickname but just little change, like forex trader and like from Tokyo, and then it's like forex trader from Tokyo and something, the same nicknames, the same patterns, just multiple accounts or just new accounts. So we also eliminate these traders. What I want to see is that they have history like 4 or 5 years. It's a good trader this, and also when there was unexpected problem in stock market, they make money on it. You know, now there was a crisis, nobody count with it on the stock market, and they were able to cut losses and even make profits. You know, so the stock market went down 40%. And they were making money on it, just 10%, but it's okay. I want people that understand the markets enough, so if there is a problem, they can gain money on the problems. So this is exactly guy we are looking for, and this exact trader, I actually put him to the watch list, and we will invest in him. I'm thinking about like 30,000-40,000 euro I will invest, because he has a result and he meet all criteriums, and I already have 3 traders. So I'm continue, I want 3, 4, 5 minimum traders, and then we put money to all of them, the same amount, and I will show you the results. Okay, and the summary for this episode is basically that we have profile on eToro now. We use the same strategy as we use for our investors to manage their money. We use the same strategy on eToro. And just to mention, we are beating S&P 500 10 years straight. So the same strategy is now on eToro. The link is in description on this profile. The second one, I will continue to dig deep in the names, and I will try to find, because it's like a big platform, there are so many traders, and I hope I will find somebody that we can really follow, and to build it, then I will put their money and I will test it long term if it's really profitable. So we will continue. So subscribe, hit the bell, because we are a small account, so if you want to receive our videos, you need to also hit the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Also, small motivation to subscribe is that in the next video I will review if it's still worth it to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So click on the next video, it's maybe already here on the screen. So check it, because I basically took one guy that mined crypto at home, and also I took one facility for $100 million where they mine crypto, and I just check the numbers if they are profitable or not. So check the other videos. See you.